Mommy.
Whoa, bubbles. Happy Halloween, buddy. I don't think that's how it works.
Watch Mommy. Like the birthday.
Benji, what does Mommy look like?
Benji, what's Mommy?
Oh, alright. You want to blow bubbles, huh? No.
You don't put it in your mouth, baby.
No. Happy Halloween, Benji. Trick or treat.
Benji, did you get candy? Can you show the people the candy? Look
The
at
people.
this.
Benji's
that?
candy. Whoa, people gave us a lot of candy, huh? Because you were a very, very cute tiger.
Benji, what did you make?
Huevos.
Huevos? Oh, tell me about your huevos.
Look. Look.
I see them. What do they have?
Face.
Do they have a face? What do they have on their face, Benji?
Some faces and eyes.
Mm-hmm. Do they have nose?
Yeah.
Do they have a mouth?
Yeah.
Are they white? Are your eggs white?
No.
What color are they?
This pink, blue, purple.
Hey, Benji. Benji, what are you eating?
Yes.
What is that? Is that a chocolate egg?
Yeah.
Is it messy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it for Easter?
Yeah.
Who brought it to you?
You.
Me? Was it me or the Easter Bunny?
It's a bunny.
Yeah.
Yay! Can you clap, buddy? Clap, 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 yay! Whoa, slow down.
Look at it. Benji, what are you gonna play? You gonna play a song for us? Oh.
I see it.
Guitars together? Let's sing, we'll do the ABC song, you ready?
Okay, Benji and Daddy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y, and Z.
I'm playing.
Hey! Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Dance, Benji. Uh-oh, he stopped. Can you make him start again? Hello.
What's this?
The camera. Where'd you go? Where did Benji go? What do you have there? Is that a necklace? Benji, who's that necklace for?
I'm done more day.
Ooh, I like it. It's pretty.
It's no more day. It's all different colors.
It is all different colors. Oh, you're leaving?
Leaving no more day for me.
Oh, you're going to go give it to Nama Jane? Okay.
I don't leave no more day. I don't want it.
Okay. Bye.
I don't want it all day.
Okay. Okay.
I did number 10. Wait a minute.
Start singing, and then Benji will start singing with you.
Keep falling out. We can falling out. I can falling out. And we falling out. And started falling out. What's this one? What's this one? This Salita. This one. What's this one? Doctor. This is that.
Yeah, did you go with me to the doctor yesterday?
A bad doctor.
The back doctor.
Oh, yeah?
Look at power bar.
Look
Ah.
at this. Salita.
I think that's Huckle.
That's Sally.
Okay, if you say so.
Yeah, where's Lolly Worm?
What's the I word?
Is he there?
Dying. He's dying.
Oh, yeah.
No, Timothy.
Okay, hold on. Let me put bubble stuff on it and you can try. You gotta go really slow over your head. Take it and go wave it way over your head.
Ah.
You did it. Okay, here, let's dip. Let's get more bubble stuff.
Benji, come here. Benji, who's in here?
No.
Is that your baby sister?
Yeah.
Come here. Show us what you do. What can you do with her? Pat her. What else?
Oh, that's nice.
How about Tito?
How about tickle her? Okay.
Tito.
Oh, hee 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 hee. What else can you do? You hug her? Aww. Can you do nosies?
That's nice.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk to her?
Yeah.
What do you want to say to her? Oh, that's what she says? Because you tickled her, huh? You say, I love you.
I love you.
Oh, thank you. Do you want her to come out soon?
Yeah.
Not too soon. Yeah, you can see her.
See her?
Yeah, you can see. You can see the tummy where she is.
Let me see. Let me see. Him. Take over your tummy. Whoa.
Is she in there?
She's in the body.
She is in the belly.
She's in there.
In here. Right inside there. Oh, that's
Okay.
But us.
Now you have to go to bed, huh? Can you say night night?
Nanny balloon.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye balloon.
Okay. That was nice.